Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Houseplant Pixie. For everyone that's new to my channel, my name is Monique and welcome back to my existing subscribers. In today's episode, I'm just gonna pot up some of my rare newbies I got. Super exciting. So I just show you guys. This is the Philodendron Joseph Bono. I rooted it in Perlite. I actually bought it in Perlite, and that's the Paradiso Verde. And as you can see, I'll come around and see the roots. Pretty good roots here as well. Had a new leaf come out. That leaf unfurled while I had this rooting, and there's another one come in here, and I got another. It's yellow variegated monstera. I haven't got any new growth yet. So I bought this a while back and the roots were pretty thin. It has been water propagated. So what I did, so when you water propagate, your roots will look really fine and thin. A little bit thinner than this one there. Thicker roots and smaller roots. So this has been propagated in sphagnum moss on a heat pad for quite a few months. I can't remember if it was 2 or 3 months. So it's ready to be potted. So yeah, let's just pot these guys up. When you put your cuttings, your root cuttings in soil, I like to use my general soil mixture, which is premium potting mix, perlite, orchid barks. So when I first transferred them, I make sure I got more of a chunkier mix, and yeah, let's just put them up. Don't choose a pot, so I'm going for this pot size here. So when you have the root ball, I probably could plant this one in a bit of a bigger pot. So they're all potted up. And then again, as I do it for all my plants, unless it's a self-watering pot, we have the nursery pot in the decorative pot, and then we give a bit of water. With the variegated monstera, so the excess water will drain into the decorative pot. You can tip it out, you don't have to. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I didn't bury the whole stem yet because we're not sure where the new growth, it's to be expected to come out of the leaf axil, but I leave that exposed. As long as the roots are in soil, it should be fine. I could give this a bit of a support, I might do, not sure yet. And here's the other two, same thing again. Nursery pot into a decorative pot and give it a bit of a water. And you will see how nice and well draining. And the excess water I will probably tip in the sink. Doing the same with this one. When you first, because the soil is quite dry, it might take a little bit for it to penetrate, so don't freak out. But when your soil is wet, what you want, say straight away, it's draining through. The other thing, when I water, I like to go around the outside and try and miss the stem a little bit. With ferns, never let water get into the center or into the crown. And yeah, it's a good idea to just give it a bit of a water around the outside. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm so glad I could add these guys to my collection, and I will give you an update how they're growing. I hope you liked this episode. If you did like it, give it a like, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay planty. Bye.